Hi friends, it's me, Becky. I wanted to let you know again about our Beginner Psychic and Mediumship Weekend Workshop coming up July 20th through the 21st. It's a Saturday and Sunday in July 2024. And our weekend workshop is going to be so amazing. We're having it in person with also a Zoom option for our friends who can't make it in person. It is a beautiful time to get reconnected to your own intuition, your heart and soul, understanding how you experience your intuition, learning how to trust it a little bit more, build your confidence with your intuition, and then also be in community as well. We're going to be going over the 10 steps for intuitive empowerment, and with that we are developing and harnessing our foundation so we can continue this lifelong journey of trusting ourselves, following our heart, and doing the necessary actions to support ourselves in that journey. The second day is going to be around our psychic and mediumship expression. A lot of the questions that I get is, Becky, I don't want to be a public psychic medium, but I do want to trust my intuition. So I don't know if this course is, or this workshop is right fit for me. And this is what I have to say to that, is that we all have this ability to connect to souls, our own soul, each other's soul, loved ones in the spirit side of life. And that connection is your birthright. And it's a personal thing. You don't need to share it with anybody. But this course or this workshop is here for you to get in tune and back in touch with that universal language of love that is within you and all around you, and learning to sense into that once again and allow yourself to feel into that love and that connection and understanding how you connect. So that is a big support, and it's something that just could support you in your everyday life. It doesn't have to be something that you have to use for your, if you have a healing art or if you don't. Everybody, this is your birthright to connect to your heart and soul and your loved ones in the spirit world if you do so choose. So this course or this workshop is for you. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you, and I look forward to seeing you in July. Bye.